Hello, we are the Valve Access Project for Jefferson County Open Space. Jefferson County Open Space manages a lot of lakes within the county. One of these lakes up in Pine, Colorado, has a valve that controls the water level. Currently, the way they access this valve is by balancing in a canoe and putting a wheel that's too small on top of the valve. So we designed a custom gearbox that sits on top of the valve that they can use from shore using a telescoping pole and a cordless drill. This removes the need to use a canoe and try to balance and not fall into the lake, and instead is operable from shore, and you can see the water level much easier. Some other designs we considered included a retractable pier, which would have been some form of a pier that can extend out to the valve that you can stand on. This we decided against because it was too expensive and not feasible. We designed an extendable wrench chain drive that would reach out from shore and sit on top of the valve. So similar to our final design, however, this design was too heavy to actually be operable by a human operator. We also explored a solar actuator that would use a motor and solar panel. However, this would have been too expensive and likely not reliable for the 20+ years that we were designing for. Before creating our final design, we created prototypes. We made a full 3D print 1:1 scale model to show how the gears would work together. We also did hand calculations to ensure that there would be no failure in any of the components within the gearbox. The final design met our different design criterias, which included being resistant to vandalism. Since this is a public park, we can't have it be accessible by the public. It will last for over 20 years, and it is weatherproof and waterproof. To test our system, first we used an oven at 200 degrees and tested it at high temperature. Then we used a freezer at 0 degrees to test it at low temperature. Since this will be outside year-round in all sorts of temperatures, we also ran the box underneath a powerful faucet for 15 minutes to make sure that no water leaked into the box. And finally, we tested the strength by attaching a large weight to the output and controlling the input, making sure nothing would break or fail. We made 2 of these systems. Currently, one is installed at the lake in Pine, Colorado, and there's a second one as a backup in case the first one is to fail. In conclusion, the project went very well. We are very grateful for the project from Jefferson County and from the support from our project advisors. We're really proud of what we accomplished this year.